All right, guys, today I want to come on here to do a quick unboxing and review on my new Cigar Humidor. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go and take a look at it. All right, here it is. Wow, very nice. Check that out. Let's go ahead and open it up. Very good quality. Check that out. All right, so right here, you got the instructions to get it fully set up. The plastic dropper to put the distilled water on the humidifier. The digital thermometer that's already installed. And the humidifier itself. Very cool. And then what I liked about the box is a lot of things, but this part right here can actually be moved. So that way, if you want to set it maybe over here, you can over here. So another cool option that you are able to separate it wherever you want, or you can take it out even if you like. It does fit about 20 to 25 cigars in here. So now you can just take your cigar and then put it in the box. And then what I did like is once you seal it, is you are able to see them right in through this nice glass display. So I did like that. Here's that digital thermometer right here already working in action. Man, this thing is really clean, sealed really nice right around here, and it just looks very clean. Check this out. So we'll go ahead and put this back in here. Like I said, all you gotta do is fill this up with some distilled water, place it on the humidifier, and then you're good to go. Get it sealed up. So if you guys found this review useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It does help out. And if you guys are looking for a new cigar humidor, this would make a great gift for either birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, things like that. Definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.